Cowboy went riding out one dark and windy day. When he reached his residence, he went along this way. When all at once a mighty herd of red-old cows he saw plow into the ragged sky. Then up the cloud it rose. The brains were still on fire and the horse made of steel. The horse was black and shiny and the hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as it thundered to the sky, for he saw the ride is coming hard as he heard an awful cry. Come on! Yippee-yi-yi, Ghost riders in the sky. Take it, Robbie! He has to do the sugar so swell. He's riding hard to catch the herd, but he can't call him yet. Cause they got to ride forever on a train up in the sky. One of the horses not in fire. As they ride and hear they cry. As the riders lone for by he heard one call his name. If you wanna save your soul from hell, riding on the range, they come to change your ways today. Oh, and as you will ride, trying to catch a devil's nerve across this endless sky. Come on, people! Yippee-yi-yi. Ghost riders in the sky. Oh, ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the sky. Thank you.
Great success.
Sada jedan Mirnić. Blue moon, you saw me standing alone without dreaming of without love my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me sing a prayer for someone I really could care for. Just what I was there for. You heard me say a prayer for someone I really could care for. Without love my own, oh, without love my own, without love my own.